To use the Sloop Pillow as a neck pillow, simply hook the two ends of the pillow together. To use the Sloop Pillow to support your upper body so you can lean on it, unhook and extend the pillow. Unzip the hidden pocket, take out the strap and attach it to both ends of the Sloop. Now, position the pillow to your neck and simply slide the strap in the armrest of your seat. Adjust the strap and pillow to your comfort. Now you can lean on the pillow and it will keep you from drooping. You can also slide the strap between the headrest on the plane, or over the headrest in buses, trains, or office chairs, depending on where you'd like to use it. Position the Sloop Pillow across your torso. Depending on which side you wish to rest your head on, slide the opposite arm through the loop. Adjust the strap length and position of the pillow to your comfort. Now, lean and rest your head on the pillow for a restful sleep. To use the Sloop Pillow as back support, hang it behind you and adjust the length of the strap to where you want back support. You have the option to put your valuables in the hidden pocket. Fall asleep with peace of mind knowing your valuables stay secure in the pillow as you sleep. Sloop, better sleep, better travel.